How to remove email from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove email from Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to remove email from your Snapchat, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here, and then tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen. And once you tap the profile icon from the top left, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, and here you'll find your current email. So you can see the email. So if I would like to remove my email, all I have to do is just cross this out and then enter another email. Otherwise you will not be able to just leave it at that, because once you've added an email, you have to add either another email address and tap the save option here. You cannot just leave it empty and tap the save option over here in this case. So this way you can actually remove your email from Snapchat. Bottom line is you can enter an alternative email. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.